everyone, welcome back. Today I have an Hermes unboxing to share with you. This is a true unboxing. I just did curbside pickup and have not opened it yet. And my SA gave me this eucalyptus plant, which was really sweet. So that was in the bag as well. I just thought I'd share that. Just gonna put that to the side. And here is the bag that the items came in. There are two items, and one of them is a wish list item that I was really excited to get. I didn't think I would get it this soon. It's not a bag, just so you know, but it is an item that I think is fairly difficult to get. So there are two boxes here. Let me take these out. And I'm gonna open this one first. Hang on. Okay, so this I believe is my receipt and everything. Yeah, so I'm not sure what's in this envelope, but I will look at that after. Okay, so I'm gonna open, I believe this is the one I want to open first. So this is the item that as soon as I started working with this Hermes SA, I had mentioned this item that I'd really like to get this item and to keep me in mind for it if she got one in. And I said I was open to any color. So I was really surprised when last week she told me that she got one in and that she was offering it to me. So let's open it and I'll show you what it is. Okay, so here's the dust bag to reveal. Oh wow, the color is really pretty. So this is the Constance Slim Wallet, and it is in the color Rose Mexico. The color is not coming up at all as it appears in real life, like not even close. That is really weird. Okay, I guess it's my lighting. I have natural light coming in behind me from the window. But yeah, this is, so the color you're seeing is not the true color. It is a pink. It is not red. It's looking red on camera for some reason, but this is a really pretty deep pink. And it has palladium hardware, and it is, so this is a special piece because it's a wallet. Here, let me just show you the inside. I haven't seen this in person, so and it is Epsom leather on the outside. On the inside, it is Swift, and it's really, really soft. So it says Hermes Paris, made in France. It has this little pouch that comes with it. It's got the cute little H there. So this can hold coins or cash or whatever you want it to hold. And then on the inside, it has a slip pocket on the back and a slip pocket on the front. Wow, it's really soft inside. And it's pretty roomy inside, so I think it'll hold quite a bit. Stick that back in there. And it's got the Constance H closure, which I love. And it has this loop on the back, so you can wear this as a belt bag. You can use it as just a regular wallet, or you can turn it into a little mini bag with a chain. So yeah, I'm so happy to have one of these. It's this was definitely a wish list item that I was really hoping to get. So very, very grateful that I was able to get it. Yeah, I wish the color was showing up properly, but anyway, I guess if you are familiar with Rose Mexico, you might already know what it looks like, or you can always Google it, but it is a really, really pretty pink. And yeah, it doesn't look red at all like it is coming up on camera. Okay, so that's the first item. Love that, so happy with it. Now this item, let me just get this stuff out This next item comes in a different kind of box. It's like it's not cardboard, it's like a hard box. So that might give you a clue as to what it is. Okay, so how does this open? There we go. All right, oh wow, this box is so nice. Wow, it feels so nice. Okay, so here is the necklace. The name of it is escaping me. Let me just look at my receipt. So it is in sterling silver. So it is considered like part of the fine jewelry collection. Farandole necklace. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. And it comes in 3 different lengths. I got the 120 centimeter length. So let me take this out to show you. So, wow, it's really pretty. It's even prettier in person than in the photos online. So this is what it looks like. And I got this, there are 2 purposes for this. So I can wear this as a necklace, obviously, which is what it's intended for. And you can wear it different ways. You can wear it long, you can wear it doubled up. It has this toggle closure. And this will look really nice, I think, with my ruby and my Claire sandals, because it has that same design on it. But I also can use this as a strap for this and turn it into like a little mini bag. And this is not my idea. I can't take credit for that. I have seen people do this online, on Instagram and on Facebook. So you can do that 2 ways. You can put the chain underneath the flap and do it that way, like this. Isn't that cute? Or you can put it through the loop, belt loop, which is what I'll probably do most of the time because I don't want to damage this Swift leather on the inside. It is quite soft, so I think that that necklace would probably cause some indentations. So you can also slide it through this loop, which Epsom leather on the back is going to be a lot more durable. So yeah, a couple of purposes for this beautiful necklace. What do you think? Isn't it pretty? I'm gonna have to try it on. And I will post mod shots of the Constance Slim wallet as a little mini bag on Instagram so that you can see what that looks like. So those are my 2 new Hermes items. Let me know what you think. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.